Good morning, friends. Myself Prachi Vare, librarian, MVP's KRT Arts and Commerce College 1E. Today we are going to discuss about the computers. The topic of our discussion is Introduction to Computers. So friends, what is computer? Computer. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. Computer is basically a programmable computing machine. A computer can not only store and process data, but also retrieve data. So computer can be defined as an electronic data processing machine used for a wide range of activities. In other words, computer is an automatic machine which solves our problem with high speed and accuracy. Characteristics of computer. The computer has the ability to perform calculations at fast speed. They have the ability to store and retrieve the information as and when required. The ability to use simple logical rules to make decisions. The ability to communicate with other computers, and to carry out computations and analysis accurately and speedily. Anatomy of computers. Data, input, storage unit, output unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit that gives results. This diagram shows how the data from the input unit is transferred to storage unit and how the output unit gives us the result using the arithmetic and logic unit and control unit. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit and storage unit together called central processing unit. This is the block diagram of a computer system. So, from the block diagram we come to know that there are 5 major functional units of a computer, that are CPU, that is central processing unit, input unit, output units, storage devices, and communication interface. What is central processing unit? It is the brain of a computer. Its primary function is to execute programs. It also controls the operation of all other components such as memory, input, output devices. The major part of CPU are primary memory, arithmetic logic unit, and control unit. Input devices. Data and instructions are entered into a computer through input devices. The commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen, OMR, web camera. Input devices. This picture shows the input devices like touchscreen, camera, scanner, microphone, trackball, webcam, keyboard, mouse, through which we input the data, and the data is processed through CPU and we get the output. What are output devices? Friends, output devices are used to transfer information stored in the computer to the outside world. There are several types of output devices, that are printer, monitor, plotter, voice response system, multimedia projector, speech synthesizer. This image shows the various output devices like webcam, microphone, printer, headphone, monitor, speakers, and webcam. Thus, from the earlier image and this image, we come to know that through input devices, we input the data into the system and the central processing unit using arithmetic logic unit, memory unit, and control unit process the data and gives us the output on on the printer, webcam, monitor, etc. Memory. The memory is an essential component of a computer system. It is required by the computer system to store instruction and data. Memory can be divided into two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, that is main memory. Primary memory is a small and relatively fast storage unit that stores data and instructions which are being currently used by CPU. Primary memory is temporary memory or also called volatile memory. As we know, for example, RAM and ROM. As we all know, whenever we works on a system, the RAM is uploaded first in the system. The RAM means random access memory or read and write memory, which gets uploaded in the system first. It is the volatile memory. When we switch off our system, the RAM gets when we switch off the system, all the data in the RAM gets erased. Secondary memory. These are permanent storage devices used for storing data and instructions. The memory is non-volatile in nature. These are the permanent type of memories. For example, hard disk, magnetic disk, optical disk. Thank you.